They ought to be really, really proud of the product they put together. It's been a resounding success. And it's only going to get bigger and better from here on, Charu.
I don't doubt that. It's already been a big success in my eyes, and you see it through the eyes of dispassionate eyes. And the spectators, their number, seriousness with which all the cricketers or actors have approached the league, fantastic. Feel sorry for the two new teams not making it to the semis, Kerala and Bengal, but hey, there's time. Nor did, of course, the Mumbai Heroes. Shetty, is that above waist height? Of course, it has also gone for a boundary, but that should be a no ball, and it is. Valuable runs added to Bulldozers, who are struggling.
Well, I just hope Chennai don't take their eye off the ball at the moment. They're in a very, very comfortable position. But we've seen how fortunes can fluctuate in a game of 2020. The Bulldozers still have Dhruv and Karthik at the crease, and they're no mean mugs with the bat. They can easily take the game away from the Chennai Rhinos if the Chennai Rhinos aren't careful and aren't focused.
They have a very uphill task, mind you, the Bulldozers, having given away 159. 161, beg your pardon. So at least 15 too many. Maybe 145 would be in a more pressure-free chase. Squeezed away to the right of third man, who was short. Point came running around. Oh, plenty of excitement there.
Excellent running between the
Good
wickets.
fielding. But Karthik up to the task. Comes back nicely for the second one. Good running as well.
Karnataka Bulldozers
Sudeep looking a little bit tense.
As Sudeep should be. They were the favoured side, the better side, the more skilled side, and yet they've worked themselves already into a position of second best here. Dug a hole next to the pitch while grounding his bat. Just trying to hit it too hard. Karthik. No pace to that ball. Trying to thrash it so hard. Didn't time it at all.
Juicy full toss. Played to deep extra cover. He'll be disappointed. He should have put that away for more. Just didn't get the timing and the placement right, but
yeah, I mean, it was a gimme there. Hit it well enough. Just couldn't place it better. Have given away a few extras, not too many, mind you. Is it 8 the figure? But it's generally been pretty good bowling. And what they have done cleverly, Rohan, is given the Bulldozers no pace at all. Another juicy full toss this time. He does capitalize. Better placement. Not such clever bowling by Shantanu.